Hey guys, so today is Sunday. It's right around 2 o'clock. I got a couple guys coming over today. We're going to be doing an install on a 4Runner. So a buddy of mine, Marty, will post his information in his channel right up above. So he's going to be coming over. I need to move these cars because we're going to be using the lift just to kind of make it easier for us instead of having to be on the ground. I believe it's a heavy item, so we're definitely going to utilize the lift for that. So, but unfortunately, as you can see, there is a flat on the NSX. I still have not figured out what's going on with that wheel. Well, actually, I do, and I do plan on rebuilding it. But unfortunately, putting air on it isn't enough because I can hear that air leak really badly. So I don't know if the bead just completely went out or I've maybe acquired a nail or whatever. But so in order to be able to use the lift, I got to move these cars out, right? So right now the NSX is actually in the way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the work wheels on the rear just to get it out of the way and get it moving. Because I've always wanted, I mean, we've already done the reps from the STI, and it does fit, and it does look good. But I prefer the work wheel, so I've always kind of wanted to see what it looks like on the NSX. So we're going to just do a quick transfer, just be able to wheel or drive the NSX out, and at the same time be able to figure out whether or not this is the kind of setup I want to go with the NSX as well, because I really do love these wheels. I'm a 5-spoke guy with a 2-step lip and polished, and there's just something about it that really floats my boat. so to speak. So anyway, so let's get this thing going. These guys should be on their way. Well, they should be here soon, and we'll get the show on the road. Yeah, that's a bell. So I had, actually, you know what, hang on, let me clear this. So I already had Ian pick out the NSX, and didn't realize that the other wheel was also flat. So it was kind of tracking rubber on the driveway. So now I'm having Ty move the Supra. I know, because I noticed that it was dragging rubber marks. All right, bro, you can do it. No, you can move.
Sure.
You don't want to.
You're still old, bro.
You're just moving. You're not. Right. Hey, remember, the clutch...
Up in where? Up in first gear or up in sixth gear?
What's that?
Reverse. Up in first gear or up in rear?
Rear.
Sixth gear?
And the clutch is very sensitive.
Alright.
Good? You're good. Watch the garbage can. Bro, is that a Supra?
He needs his hat.
Try to avoid like wet roads if you can. I don't want that salt kicking up. Yeah. Straight. Ooh, woo. That was close. So while the boys are joyriding in the Supra, they have my keys for the RX7, so I can't get this thing out. I had to remove the other wheel on the STI. Sorry, I'm out of breath. Just so that I can get the rear wheel off of the NSX. It's a little sketchy, but looks even. So this is my baby. Take good care of her.
I will. I promise.
Watch that clutch. I hear it already. All right, Marty, what are we doing?
Huh?
What are we doing? So,
Just, I'm gonna grab the rock sliders out of the back here, and then
so the rock slides, they're in the back or on the side?
the side.
Oh, the sides,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. They're, so I should be able to kind of sneak into the side. I don't know if my mirrors are gonna hit on the posts, so I'll have to guide it in. But
I don't know if you're too, you might be.
am I too wide?
No, you're just right, but you gotta move a little bit to the right, and then you gotta have your mirrors.
Yeah, the mirrors have to come in.
Yep.
These are so heavy. Start on the
Back. Go backwards, go closer in.
You gotta hit the tire first, yeah. Wow.
It's low, right?
Yeah, it's pretty low.
Slide. Actually, I'll bring it in.
Yeah, you have to do really extreme angles.
Yeah.
Yeah. Doesn't look like anything cracked, it's bent.
Yeah.
It's scary.
It's just a scratch. But see, the thing is,
Is the lip alright?
yeah, it's all right. The bumper just went.
Dude, it sounded so much worse in the car. I like it so lower than that. in, so I'm just going to bring the rock sliders over here, lay them down, and then line them up, get them bolted up. Shouldn't be too bad. You'll have to turn around.
Yeah, I guess we're just gonna have to. No, I'll park it in. I'll bring it in. If you can just park, back it up next to the truck.
Park it on, baby.
Soup.
Oh my god! Why? Dude, NSX Super, oh my god.
Got Jacob here. What's up, man? Just straight. So these are the rock haulers. It's good. Got it installed. Thanks to Ian and Ty and everyone else. So it's helped out.